We're going to set the oven to 325. I'm having to make 2 pans for church pan. You know that they make this butter flavor spray. I'm not believing crack some eggs. I use normally 3 eggs per box. That's 2. And I guess you go my usually I use a stick of salted butter melted. However, I don't have any available. So we're going to do the oil. This is okay. I'm going to add some sea salt just to give a little oomph to it. And then we need mixing. Make sure you get the bottom as you go. See it start coming together. My mama's old antique KitchenAid, but it doesn't work anymore, and like a box mix is still more homemade. And if you wanted to, you could add sorry about that. And I think we're back. Hopefully. Subscribers and viewers are from. A lot of people miss. Do not cut until it gets cool. About 8 minutes. The other one will come out, and I have to do the same thing for you. Take a toothpick or a knife, put it in the center, just like you would do a cake or anything else. And come in for the middle is all before you cut it, or you're going to make a mess. That's why